So far this year, we have been focusing on themes of stories. We've talked about what a theme is, and we have practiced determining themes. For example, we read the Iroquois creation myth, The World on the Turtle's Back, and we determined that some of the themes are that good cannot exist without evil, and that life requires balance. Today we're going to talk about how authors use themes to make a comment on what is called the human condition. You may be wondering, what is that? The human condition is defined as the positive and negative aspects of existence as a human being. But for our purposes, we're going to go one step further and point out that they are abstract aspects of existence as a human being. Here you can see many different words that represent these aspects of the human condition. These are all abstract, and they don't apply to any other species really other than humanity, such as love, mortality, ambition, fear, adolescence, and many others. One of those aspects of the human condition that we saw was heartbreak. We do know that we've seen animals that seem to have some sort of grieving experience, but nothing that really compares to what humans have to go through when they experience heartbreak and sad times. Another one of the abstract aspects of the human condition is this ill-fated word, worry. We spend so much time worrying. What if this goes wrong? What if that goes wrong? Well, I believe humans are the only species that have to deal with this amount of worry and concern. One final example of an abstract aspect of the human condition is ambition. People have a hard time accepting basic physical survival. They want to pursue great things. These two pictures show you two examples that are not abstract aspects of the human condition at all. First of all, people are not the only species that eat, nor are they the only species that sleep. And not only that, but these are physical characteristics and physical aspects of our humanity. We're wanting to focus today on abstract concepts, things that we can't see with our eyes or touch with our hands, things that we can only think about and that only humans really experience. Now that you have a better understanding of what the human condition is and that we are focusing on abstract concepts, I want you to, in small groups of 3 to 4 people, choose 3 aspects of the human condition that have not been mentioned in this presentation. So think of new aspects that you can bring to the class discussion. And I want you to find a way to represent them visually. So you can draw a picture, you can print something from the computer, come up with a visual representation of those 3 aspects. Once you've thought of your 3 aspects and you've come up with 3 visual representations of those aspects of the human condition, in your group, I want you to also write a short paragraph about how authors use theme, or themes to comment on the human condition. Once everyone has time to finish, we will all share our responses out loud.